Let's get into how to prep a home to be photographed for real estate photography. For one, I like to start off by taking the exterior photo for a home. Once I'm able to gain access to a home, I like to start what I call the prepping process. Every home is completely different, but this starts with turning on all the lights to make sure that there's continuity throughout the home, opening all the windows to the same length. We also like to make sure that all toilet seats are closed and any doors that aren't going to be photographed are closed. You want to triple check all of the ceiling fans, and while you're going through the home, you can pre-plan where you're going to photograph once you do get ready to start taking pictures. That way, once you go back through the home, you already kind of have a pre-idea of what you want to get done. Once you get through with all of the rooms, then you go back through the house once it's done, and you turn off all the lights, and you leave the home exactly how it was when you got there, just so that when the next person comes in to view the home, it's ready to be seen. In the next video, I'm going to go through in depth of some of the really interesting ways that you can get your layouts. Each photographer is different. I personally prefer to keep windows in all of my shots, but there are different types of rooms and layouts where that's not possible. And a few of my settings that I'm showing you here, I like to keep my f-stop on 8 so that everything is nice and sharp. And I like to start my ISO at 320, and sometimes it goes higher, sometimes it goes lower based on the room, but I really just move my shutter speed around to get that shot. And I work with flash. Sometimes you can bracket a room. I personally like to use flash in my rooms. I always end my home with the exterior shot of the backyard, and we will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.